Hello my friends, Natalia here. Welcome everybody for part number 2 video unboxing provided by Newcraftday. If you missed number 1 video, oh my goodness, those cross stitch up there and magnets are so beautiful. I will link it up for you just in case you missed a video. It will be as an end screen, as a card, maybe even link under my video in the description box. At the same time, they provided me 10% discount code for you. It's Lovecraft10 and you can save some money. So this time we have a little bit of diamond painting and looks like some unique item in here, and also maybe somebody needs to get ready for the Christmas time. First I want to see this because I didn't check diamond paintings kind of for a while. So I have before mirror of diamond painting mirror, but like the circle little one or square one, also like small design. This one looks big, look at that, and I want to see the quality of this. And obviously this is going to be sparkle gems, and I pick such a beautiful design. Look at this. Look at this amazing flower. Isn't it beautiful? Maybe can stay. So how is it open? Where is the open? Okay, so opening from here. Oh, like that. Oh, that's neat. So we have in here bandy point. Is it? Okay, I might will chop some video because I opened it and it was me in the mirror. I don't want to see me in the mirror. So I'm going to grab a piece of paper, something maybe with this to close mirror. But what I want to say, that diamonds in here, we don't have a diamonds on a part where we need to bend our mirror. And if I can show you this kind of, what kind of material is this? Kind of like 3D. I can feel the texture. You see the texture on it? I think you can see a little bit. And the print is really nice and bright and beautiful. So let me try to open and hopefully not to get in the mirror again. So let's see this way. We're going to open this way. It will stay nicely. It will stay this way with the good angle like that. Or you can do, okay, so it's a 1, 2 and 3 positions in here, because it does have, if I can close a little bit and show you this, see, like a little ridges in here for the mirror to stop. It's very not deep enough, but it will stop. Mirror looks like it. Okay, it will stay, guess, up there. Okay, it's showing my stuff because I have around me. Kind of don't like to record with mirror stuff because then you can see all over everything. And I have some other packaging here laying next to me, so ignore those. But yeah, see how this nice kind of texture material, and it's a good size. It's a good size, and I like that design. So when it's going to stay mirror, so this way open up, so it's kind of pointing this way. Okay, so it will stay correctly. First that I will be like upside down, but look at this, nice. So let's see what kind of diamonds we will have with it. Little tiny one placer, just a regular simple toolkit. And how many colors of gems we have in here? Take a time and watch my video number 1 because you will love this cross stitch design. Very good quality. So we have 5 colors in here only. One is a special shape diamonds, then crystal clear, blue, purple, and yellow or brown, kind of like a brown shade. So the flower will be look beautiful, and with the background printed on it, I think it will look really nice and sparkle. And of course, because you will use your mirror often, right? So I would definitely recommend, sorry for the squeaks, I would always recommend after you place your diamonds, a product like this to put sealant on the top to keep your diamonds in place, because in some point it will move and fall out. And this glue, it's sticky, but it's not very thick layer of the glue, so I definitely would try to seal them. And the glue in here only where like a diamond supposed to go. Let me wiggle a little bit to show you where is the shiny for the glue, but not thick layer, so definitely need to be sealant on the top of that. It will stay diamonds, but when you touch it always with your fingers, diamonds will move quickly. So it is very nice though. I like the good size. And actually, let me pick up one, the mirror. Oh, mirror is beautiful. It's a big one. Okay, I'm just trying to see in here. That's a, oh no, that's not a scratch. It's just a marking on the mirror. But it is beautiful. I don't know if it I will see everything, but I mean the reflection in the mirror is perfect, because some mirror can make your face look weird, not exactly correct mirror. This one is really nice, good quality mirror, so yay for that. Now part number 2, or product number 2, I decided to check it out, Christmas cards. And this one, I think one more of this kind was really kind of got me because of the color. Look at this color. It's like pink and minty. And on a website, it looks so, so good. Oh, that's interesting how they put cards like open all the way and just, oh, okay, I see why. Because in some brand they would be like sent like this, open, right? And that way it's like a longer package. So I guess this way also, okay, save them maybe money on shipping because the package now is smaller. But they also have shiny diamonds, and I wonder if all the designs the same. No, I think it's different. I can't remember anymore. So we have a same toolkit. How many is it? 6 or 8? I can't remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. So we have a 6 matching envelopes. And let's see cards. So on the inside it says best wishes, nicely printed, even outline for you, so you don't make a crooked sign in whatever you try to put on the inside. That's nice, because my lines always go upwards for some reason. It looks like I start to do straight and they always end up kind of a little bit diagonally. So that's a good one. That's perfect for me to do this. Now this one we have awesome Santa, full bag of goodies, nice fancy sled. Okay, are they all the same? No, they're all different. So, oh, look at the back and how beautiful. It's the same design. It says colorful world. It's the same design. Yeah, same design. So this is actual print. Look how beautiful they look, and that's what I saw on a website, and like, wow, those colors, pink and mint, so good together. And this one obviously already pixelated because with the diamonds spot. So on all of them I have colorful world in here. So this one on the inside, so okay, so as you can see on the inside they will be all the same, I guess. All right, no different pictures. So the only pictures different is on the outside. So I think in this one we can see a little bit better even the actual design. Okay, now hold on, back in. Okay, so the back of the cards all the same as well. So the only front of the cards different. All right, so all back in, so I'm not going to show you again. all have the same thing. And our first card is exactly the same one. So from now on, we're going to have different cards. Here's inside of the house, Santa decorating Christmas tree. There we go. This way you can see good with no reflection. Now Santa holding a gift. Love this one. Here's Santa's face. Look at how beautiful printed. With the sparkle diamonds around, it's going to be very nice. And then different position. You can buy this and gift it to somebody, put in a gift basket. Doesn't have to be created and signed. You can just give it to somebody, the whole pack, and they will do some work on it, diamond paint and gift already for other family members. Okay, is he in a sled in here? Yes, he's in a sled chilling. And here's one more. Lots of presents, lots of presents. Very beautiful cards. And I believe in this kind of color they have two different packs. I remember I was looking at, couldn't decide which one I liked the most, because they both kind of beautiful one, but I did not want to order both the same kind. So to me, if I can show you one, then you will see actual quality, and go ahead and order. Now what I want to see, quality of the glue on the cards for the diamonds. Oh, see, like in here, glue much stronger than in the mirror, and you might will see how even shining. Well, sorry, it's reflection, because the cards actually shiny. Before, when I have cards, they just looks like a regular paper. This one have a glance to it. Oh, this is really fancy cards. Very well done. I like that a lot. So definitely go ahead and order one pack or two, or three or four, right? Use discount code and save some money. The code, discount code is not affiliate. I'm not making any money from it. It's just for you to save some coin. And let's see what kind of diamonds go with Santa. Oh my goodness, this AB is to die for. Look at this gorgeousness. So beautiful. And then we have pink. More pink. This is such a unique pink. Pearls. It's a similar, but this one a little bit more brighter. Different shape. How close we can see. Look how pretty. Ooh, it's a, oh, where is the focus? Same color, but look at this one. This one looks like 6 millimeters, I would say. And then here's some dark gray, I would guess. Okay, what kind of color? Like a champagne, like a light pink. Green, of course. Okay. I would be happy if this design will be only pink and minty colors. Surprisingly, they have a green, so I don't know how they're going to look like with all these bright diamonds. So it's going to be colorful, not just pink and minty as the picture itself. That's interesting. I hope it's the correct diamonds. There you go. Lots of shades. And this one, it's a light blue. Big pack. Clear, crystal clear. And white. Yeah, just a regular white. Very shiny though. I don't know if you're gonna see it, but they have the very nice cut, which create them almost like a natural sparkle. So yeah, surprisingly, it's going to be much more colors. It's not going to be just mint and pink. So we're going to have lots of different colors in here. Even bright green, which is really surprised me in this one. So what do you think? What do you think? Do you like this or not? So we have like a very mini unboxing today. I did not want to combine them with the cross stitch, but check it out, the cross stitch as well. You will love it, and the sampler is so beautiful. This is one of my favorite brands. Yes, and you will love it, guarantee you. I guarantee you. So thank you so much for staying with me today for this mini unboxing. Check it out, those mirrors. I will have to cut it out, part that I was in the mirror, unfortunately. But this is pretty, very pretty. For those who like purples and blues, this is nice. So there you go. I'm going to use it. Going to stay next to me. We are going to do diamond painting on it very soon, maybe even this coming week. We'll see. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow probably. Have a good day.